Welcome to Kitchen Chemistry with Essential Wholesale and Labs. I'm Tinica, and today I'll be showing you how to make a cleanser for kid toys and changing tables and basically anything around kids. If you have kids, you know how messy they can be and how hard it is to find a cleanser that will be safe to use around kids. So hopefully that's what we've done here today. I'm pretty sure that's what we've done here today. And I hope you enjoy this easy to make toy and changing table cleanser. So let's get started. You'll need ingredients, of course. You'll need yoga mat spray, which you can purchase from our website. And you'll need a little no rinse hand cleanser, which you can also purchase on our website, which if you don't know the address, it's essentialwholesale.com. And you can find no rinse hand cleanser and yoga mat spray there. And let's get started. So this is very easy to make. You could even sell these two things separately and let your clients mix them as they please. I kind of like what we've done here. So the yoga mat cleanser is a great cleanser. The no rinse hand cleanser is just an additional cleanser that we're adding just to make it so that all of your kids' toys and your changing table are properly cleaned. So we're just going to add a little bit of that no rinse hand cleanser right into the yoga mat spray. And there's no need to heat it up. It's not necessary. Just get it right in there and give it a stir. And it goes right in real nice and easy. And by the way, it smells really nice. It's very pleasant. It smells like lavender and it just smells bright and clean. Really, really nice. And it's that easy. That's all you have to do. I went ahead and made some already and pre-packaged it so you guys could see what it looks like in packaging. I thought a spray bottle was the right way to package it. Maybe not this small, but certainly you could if you wanted. This is good for travel. And it's that easy. That's all you have to do to make this project. It certainly isn't intimidating, and we hope you enjoyed watching this video on how to make a changing table and toy cleanser. You can find a link by clicking the More button directly below the video, and you can purchase the kit to make your first pound of this great recipe. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you enjoy this.